Welcome back to Product Critique, where we break down the best tools and gadgets to keep your gear in top shape. Today, we're talking about the best chain cleaner brush for motorcycle maintenance, the 2PC's bike or motorcycle chain washer from QUANFULTEC. This cleaning tool isn't just your average brush. It's a game changer for bike and motorcycle owners who care about performance and durability. Let's dive right in. First off, if you've ever struggled with a dirty, grimy chain that slows you down or squeaks every time you move, you know how frustrating that can be. This two-piece set includes a blue and black brush that is specifically designed to clean your bike or motorcycle chain without removing it. That's right, no chain removal required. It simplifies the whole maintenance routine with its unique design, making it easier than ever to keep your ride smooth and efficient. Now let's talk about the design itself. Each brush comes with 3-sided bristles. This clever configuration allows you to clean all 4 sides of the chain in one go. No awkward angles, no missed spots, just full coverage cleaning that gets deep into every link. It wraps around the chain and scrubs it from multiple sides simultaneously. What's more, the bristles are firm and durable. They're tough enough to handle grease, grime, and road dirt, but they won't damage the chain or sprockets. And there's a longer brush on the end of each handle, perfect for getting into the gears, sprockets, and other hard-to-reach areas like wheel hubs and cranks. Basically, it's an all-in-one solution for deep cleaning your drivetrain. The build quality is impressive. These brushes are made from high-quality plastic and nylon, so they're not just effective, they're also built to last. You can use them again and again without the bristles flattening out or the handles breaking, which is a problem you often see with cheaper alternatives. Compatibility is another huge plus. Whether you ride a mountain bike, road bike, or a full-size motorcycle, this brush is designed to work with all kinds of chains. It's truly universal. You don't have to buy a different tool for each type of ride you own. And let's be real, regular chain cleaning isn't just about looks. A clean chain reduces wear on your drivetrain, improves performance, and extends the life of your parts. If you're putting in miles every week, you'll definitely notice the difference after using this tool. Using it is as simple as it gets. Just apply your favorite degreaser, grip the chain with the 3-sided end, and rotate the pedals or wheel. The brush does the rest. Follow that up with the longer bristles to get into the nooks of the gear and you're done. Fast, efficient, and no mess. So if you're someone who rides often and wants to keep your chain looking fresh and running smooth, this 2PC's chain washer from QUANFULTEC is a must-have in your toolkit. You can check it out on Amazon. Just search for Motorcycle Chain Brush Cleaner QUANFULTEC and look for the blue and black 2-pack. It's affordable, effective, and designed to make your maintenance routine so much easier. That's it for today's product critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more gear reviews and maintenance tips. Thanks for watching, and keep your ride clean and fast.